Okay, there we go. So I'm inside of the lighthouse. Hello guys, and today I will be showing you how to get into the lighthouse in Retail Tycoon. It might get like updated. The game might get updated anytime. So this is like for like the end of August or September 2018. I'm not sure if it will work after that. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial and I'll just stop talking. So basically what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go all the way to the end of the map over here. And as you see, the lighthouse is here. So what you're gonna wanna do is go here and jump off the map and then keep going forward and hold shift. Now you will be falling like this. Oh, I slightly missed it. Oh, okay. Okay, so there. Now, to get into the lighthouse, this is a glitch because there's no actual way to get inside of the lighthouse because it says closed for renovation or something, or secrets. So what you're gonna wanna do is put your camera on a corner of the top of the lighthouse, and you're gonna make sure that you can like see your ghost. So then you're gonna you need to hold S and shift. Then you're gonna quickly zoom in. Oh, it failed. It's pretty hard to do, so it might not work every time. Okay, there we go. So I'm inside of the lighthouse. Don't go down the stairs, go down the ladder. So there we go. And there we go, we're inside the lighthouse. So that was method 1. Method 2 is an easier method. So method 2 is so look, there's a secret entrance here. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna wanna follow the map and land about over here on the grass. Then you're gonna wanna jump here, and you're gonna see like these 2 rocks and this 1 rock over here, and you're gonna wanna just go like this, and there you go. So yeah, that's basically it on how to get into the lighthouse in Roblox Retail Tycoon. So yeah, other than that, there is a bit of secrets, if you can call them secrets. They're not really that much of secrets, but yeah, there's just like writings on the wall. McRock's lighthouse, made by McRock, designed by McRock, and Puss was here. And then there's this weird like frying pan or something which you can't really reach. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it. So make sure, if you want, I mean, I'm not forcing you, but if you do want more content from me, you can subscribe, like, or share the video, even though no one really shares videos anymore. Yeah, that's basically it. And comment down below what do you want me to do next time. Well, for now, bye. No, that was a really cringy